Keller from jennycookies.com. I'm gonna show you how to make a super simple drink for your next holiday gathering. So you're gonna start with a really fun fluted glass. I found these at Amco for $1, so it's practically free. And you're gonna need some Prosecco and then this dry sparkling soda in the cranberry flavor. And then for your garnish, you're gonna need cranberries and rosemary and then sugar and Caro syrup. This is my secret for sugaring cranberries. You're just gonna pour some Caro syrup over your cranberries and then add some sugar. And then quickly just mix them up. And this makes the cutest drink garnish. We can. All right, you're gonna set your cranberries aside and then take your glass and you're gonna do about 2/3 of the glass with the dry cranberry and then top it off with the Prosecco. So this is a really nice light drink. I like to offer this to guests right as they're arriving to a party. And then you're gonna garnish it with a little bit of rosemary and then add your little sugared cranberries, which is so adorable. Cheers.